This is a pool robot. You drop it in your pool, it has a vacuum and it sucks all the dirt from the bottom of your pool. It cleans it for you, but it can only go in one direction. Now this pool robot, I think it looks like a tank and I want to turn it into a tank. But let's see if it has tank level horsepower.
One strong crazy bets on me. Back mid-scroll, Armageddon arcade. Walking the wild, walking the wild. Don't know why. Cosplay cowgirls and numberless chats. We're feeling just fine in our running hats.
That smoke you saw wasn't from the tracks, it was from the electronics. Definitely not doing tug of war again. This is the original motor. As you can see, the motor has a gear reduction. That's why it has so much torque. This was version 1. I replaced the original motor and added these 2 motors, but the tracks need so much torque it failed. Version 2, I replaced it with the smaller motor that has a gear reduction, but it failed because the glue on the sprocket to the motor shaft kept on breaking. That's how much torque is needed. So I replaced it with this one. This is a ride-on toy motor. I glued it onto the track wheel, and now let's hopefully it will be successful. Because this motor definitely can if I can jump on that ride-on toy and it can push me down the road, I'm sure it has plenty of power to move these tracks. So hopefully I just have to install the new motor, make sure it looks nice and neat. And after I completed the build, I really liked the outside motor. It looked like one of those, like, well, I don't know the name for it, but those mining machines with a giant wheel in the front. That's what it looked like. It was just so nice. As you can see, it looks so normal and original. You can't even notice anything. It's just so original. And then you can open up this door to access your electronics. You can put stuff inside. As you can see, I put the battery and the remote. Now I will never lose the remote, and the battery is in a secure location. I can even put heavy things inside. Thanks for watching. Please consider liking, sharing, commenting, watching longer. Hope to see you in another video. Bye.